How's it going, DIY? Today we're taking a look at the Fifine TANK6 microphone, as well as the BM88 boom arm mic from Fifine as well. The boom arm costs $56.99 on Amazon, and then the TANK6 costs $95 on Amazon. So it's about a $155 combo, depending on sales and stuff like that going on. The actual mic is a bit on a discount, so your price may vary depending on when you're shopping. But these are really nice, high quality microphones that are gonna be used in our podcast set, and we actually got a couple extra sent over. So we're gonna be taking a look at both of them today, give you guys a quick review on what they sound like and how I have them set up and what you can expect to get if you buy one of these combos yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. So first we're gonna be taking a look at the TANK6 microphone. I'm actually really excited to see, I've actually opened this up a few days ago and I noticed how nice the actual build quality of this microphone is. And then after we take a look at this, we'll also take a look at the BM88 microphone arm. So we have the actual microphone here, and this thing is heavy. Metal construction, it has the XLR interface, as well as USB Type-C, which we like to see. On the side of the physical microphone, you can see on the side here we have mic gain control, so it can actually change how loud you are in the microphone itself. You can also see here you also have a spot for your headphones to adjust the actual volume at which you are hearing yourself. So there's a lot of nice touches on this microphone here, and you also have a one-click push button mute option, so that's nice and easy. Swivel is pretty nice. As well in the box, you are also going to get a cable, which this is going to be a USB, or you can adapt it and just take off that piece there and have a nice USB-C cable there as well. On the other end, you also have a USB-C cable. So this would be going into your actual microphone if you're using USB-C, and then you can either use Type-C if your motherboard supports it or your PC case supports it, and then a USB if it does not. Let's see how long this guy is, just so we can make sure it's a nice long cable. I imagine, yeah, it's a little longer than 6 feet. So you have plenty of room for this cable, which is gonna be nice when you're running it long distances if you need to. So we also have one other accessory inside this box here. So this is the 3/8 to 5/8 inch adapter, and that is going to thread in at the bottom here. So if you're hooking it up to a different arm setup, you have the option to hook it up with whichever thread you like. So that's a nice adapter to have, definitely something you wanna hold on to if you're gonna be moving it between different sets of arms, or if you're having it set up a different way. That is how you're going to set it up. Taking a look at the BM88, this is a low profile boom arm stand. It's sturdy and stylish. So we're gonna open this one up here, and you have a nice little user guide. I didn't go through this with the other one, but it kind of gives you an idea of how to install it, what it's supposed to look like, and then what's in the box. You obviously are gonna have your arm, you're gonna have your accessories, your rotatable ball head, Allen wrenches as well to set it up. And that's pretty much all it's gonna be coming with. And we're gonna take off, this piece is just a block. This is gonna have your accessories inside. And then at the very bottom is your actual arm. It does have a metal construction to it. It is a bit lighter, actually lighter than I expected. There are a couple of plastic parts on it. So like on this cover here where you would route the actual cable from the microphone, this is a plastic cover. Everything else is a nice finish. Feels like the same metal they used on the microphone, and it's got a nice finish to it as well. So pretty much like your standard mic arm, it has a lot of rotation. It can go left and right, up and down, all the way around. So you can pretty much get your microphone exactly where you want it to. So you have your clamp, and this is what we're gonna be using for our desks. It's a nice twist, and it's already actually pre-assembled, which is a nice touch. You don't have to go through and install all this and get it all set up and everything like that. And then you have the slot where this is going to attach to this arm, and then you're going to attach your actual mic at the end of it. We're gonna go ahead and set this up real quick for you guys so we can show you what it looks like fully assembled, and then we're gonna go into a sound test and show you guys how it sounds, because that's really what we're here for. All right, so we have the mic arm and mic set up now. We obviously have our mic plugged in, and then you can see here on the left, you can actually mute and unmute. It has a nice colored button there. And then I have the USB-C that is attached, that came with the box, hooked up and plugged into the bottom. And like I said, you can also use the XLR hookup if you wanted to. And then I have it routed underneath here with the cover that they apply with every single one of these arms. And how it works is basically there's an arrow down here, and you basically just slide the opposite way to take off that cover, and then you can route your cable. If I'm doing this more permanently, I'd probably put a zip tie up here or something like that to keep it nice and tight up here. And then it has another run through here on the bottom, and then through the bottom of the PC, and then into the back of the motherboard. So it is plugged up through USB-C right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick sound test of what it sounds like while talking on the actual microphone. All right, so I've got the microphone set up, and we're in OBS right now. I'm about 4 minus on the decibel scale from the full volume. And in terms of the microphone level, I'm around, I'd say about 2/3 to the max. And I just kind of messed around with it off camera and figured out that this was the area that you can sit comfortably pretty close to it and talk pretty loudly, and it's still not maxing out and peaking. It's going to change depending on each person's setup and what kind of recording software you're using and what software you're going to be putting this mic to the test on. But this is how I have it set up right now. Sounds pretty good. I'm getting really loud, and it's still getting up to that very top point, but it still sounds pretty good. So like I said, you can kind of change around with it and mess around with it. The onboard control is pretty nice to get that flexibility if you need to get a little louder if you're in a quieter zone or a quieter part of the day. So sounds pretty good, I gotta be honest. The plosives sound a little more pronounced than I want them to be, but overall though, they're still really solid. And if you did want to hook up a headset directly to the microphone here, they have that input at the bottom there, and then you can hear yourself in real time with that audio dial next to the actual microphone gain volume knob, which is nice to see. But I'm not going to do that. That's not what my setup's going to be used for. Just going to be for streaming, and once it's set up like this, it's going to be good to go. And then whenever I want to actually put it away, I can of course just rotate it back and then move it back around. So I did hook up and set up the arms, tightened a couple things down to get it nice and sturdy. It does feel really solid. I don't think there's going to be any issues with it sagging over time or anything like that. A lot of options for tightening everything up and down. So a lot of flexibility, good build quality. I like the all metal design with a couple plastic pieces here and there. And the microphone sounds really good for a really good price. Fifine is definitely a go-to option if you want a cheaper but still high quality microphone sound if you're getting into streaming or anything like that. So that's going to wrap up this video. I'm going to leave a link to this one in the description down below if you want to check this one out and pick one up yourself. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.